How to sell NFT. You may have seen our former composition on how to make an NFT. Now that you're familiar with making one, the logical coming step is to learn how to vend one. After all, the crazy stories about dealing NFTs are arguably one of the biggest reasons that NFTs have gotten so important attention in recent months. It's your turn to get in on all the action. Still, fret not, if you have been feeling confused or overwhelmed about the process. That's just what we will cover then. 1. Choose a platform. Your trip to dealing an NFT starts with choosing a platform. There are several options available, including online commerce like OpenSea and direct-to-consumer, D2C, platforms similar as Shopify. The selection generally depends on the type of NFT you are dealing and the freights involved in trading the cryptographic asset. OpenSea is the world's largest digital business for buying and dealing NFTs, including crypto art, game particulars, and exclusive digital collectibles. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. I will upload a video every day until getting monetized. It supports two popular NFT norms, ERC 721 and ERC 1155 commemoratives. Merchandisers can choose between Ethereum and Polygon when listing their NFT on the OpenSea business. The trading freights of OpenSea are 2.5, which means you will get a little lower than what you vend your NFT for. For illustration, if you vend an NFT for $100, you will get $97.50, and OpenSea will keep $2.50. Rarible is another digital business where NFT possessors can put their digital means up for trade. The platform accepts a different selection of commemoratives across different orders, including music, trades, vids, and sphere names. To vend NFTs and accept payments on Rarible, you'll need a portmanteau that's compatible with one of the 3 blockchains connected to the business: Ethereum, Flow, and Tezos. When it comes to freights, Rarible works also to OpenSea, taking 2.5 on both the buyer and dealer side from every trade made on the business. Binance NFT business. Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, has its own NFT business. Binance's NFT platform lets you vend non-fungible commemoratives from colorful different orders, including art, sports, collectibles, entertainment, and gaming. 2 blockchains are supported: Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, BSC. Binance charges a flat 1 trading figure for all NFT generators and merchandisers, which is the smallest in the request. In addition, merchandisers pay a 1 kingliness figure if the NFT they enjoy was created by someone differently. Dealing NFTs on Shopify. Popular e-commerce platform Shopify began to accommodate NFT merchandisers in July of 2021. Shopify's structure allows generators and resellers to offer a D2C experience through their own ingrained storefront. Rather of using a business, each NFT trafficker can vend their digital means directly to the client. This offers other benefits as well. For illustration, NFT merchandisers can accept disbenefit cards, credit cards, and mobile payments through their storefront. Shopify also has its own payment gateway called Shopify Payments. Merchandisers don't pay a sale figure on payments reused via this gateway. You can also add indispensable payment styles similar as cryptocurrencies to your Shopify NFT store. 2. Make a crypto portmanteau. To list your NFT for trade, you need to have a cryptocurrency portmanteau. That support NFT deals are MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. MetaMask allows you to connect to the Ethereum blockchain to buy, vend, or trade your NFTs. Trust Wallet is a great option if you're looking for a mobile portmanteau. It supports the buying and selling of NFTs and allows you to store your commemoratives in a secure portmanteau. Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet lets druggies shoot and admit NFTs with usernames rather of using public blockchain addresses. This helps produce an experience that's analogous to the digital holdalls people formerly fet and use, e.g., PayPal. 3. Price your NFT. There's a popular saying that NFTs are worth what people are willing to pay for them, but the verity is that certain factors impact their pricing and how buyers generally value them. These include 30-day average price. This is the literal price trend of an NFT in any order. Immaculately, your target price should be close to the average value of analogous commemoratives over the once 30 days. Some non-fungible commemoratives have unique traits that will drive up their prices. An illustration: the popular Wearied Ham Yacht Club NFT collection has lower than 1 hams with the Ray Eyes trait. However, go ahead and price it above the literal normal if your NFT has a veritably rare particularity. Mileage: can your NFT be traded for a virtual item in a certain metaverse or game? Do buyers get to be a part of an exclusive club that receives redundant gratuities similar as abatements on unborn purchases? The mileage of the beginning asset will determine whether you can demand an advanced price for your NFT. Creator fellowship. Individualities who erected a character and following in the NFT space can command an advanced price for their means. But when you a new dealer with no deals history, it's stylish to start near to the literal normal and move your way over. 4. Create a table. Once you set a price for your NFT, you will need to produce a table. Log into your NFT platform and click Produce on the top right, if you are using a business. Also, choose from either a single or multiple collectibles, grounded on the force of your asset. You also need to enter a title and description for your NFT. Write a title that's charming and affiliated to your digital asset but doesn't make a hard sell. In the description, talk about the purpose of your commemorative and any theme behind it. You also want to mention the oddity league of your NFT and whether buyers will get any perquisite beyond the power of the asset. A hint is generally enough to attract implicit guests' attention. Next, choose the type of listing you want to produce. On commerce like OpenSea, you get 2 options for rosters. Still, go with this option if you want to vend your NFT for a fixed price. To produce an on-trade table, simply enter the price for your NFT and choose the length of time you want the table to be active. Also, an transaction takes place, where the loftiest endeavor gets to buy your digital asset. 5. Accept an offer. After listing your NFT, keep an eye out for offers from implicit buyers. While most platforms will notify you when someone places a shot on your table, it's good to check in yourself regularly to ensure you don't miss any requests. Still, it'll be considered a public trade if you've chosen a fixed price and someone decides to buy your NFT for that quantum. In this case, you'll get an alert that your digital asset has been vended and your account has been credited with ETH or cryptocurrency. But if it's a transaction, you will get announcements about the different flings being placed on your NFT. Also, buyers may shoot you private offers where they propose a certain figure for buying your non-fungible commemorative. Some caution is demanded, as offers could occasionally be lower than your minimal price. Similar offers are generally transferred by bots or adversaries trying to subsidize on the proprietor's oversight. Dealing an NFT is simpler than it might feel. While there are a lot of effects to keep in mind, the process itself is not so bad once you do your exploration and do industriousness. Just make sure you look into your options in terms of platforms, transaction settings, and payment-related issues like freights and gateways. Once you've got the bases covered, you're well on your way to dealing some noble NFTs. How to vend an NFT FAQ. How important do NFTs vend for? The average price of an NFT can vary anywhere from $100 to $400, depending on its failure, mileage, and fashionability. Also, oscillations in the value of the underpinning cryptocurrency may impact a non-fungible commemorative's price. Do I need to pay to vend an NFT? It depends on the platform you choose. With NFT commerce, you can list your digital asset for trade without paying anything, though they do charge a 2 to 2.5 figure on every sale made through their website. However, Shopify offers a way to vend NFTs and pay no freights with Shopify Payments, which is the company's own payment gateway, if you had rather avoid sale freights. To learn about NFT, how to make money with NFT, most expensive NFTs, watch our other videos on this YouTube channel. Did you learn something new about how to sell NFT that you didn't know before? We hope you did. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing ideas, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please check the link in the description for our merch also, because there's something very special for you in it. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. I will upload a video every day until getting monetized. Thanks for watching till the end.